Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset the auto adjustment that you have added to your videos in the Capcut PC apps. So open the Capcut PC apps and select your video you have added the auto adjust before. And for example, I'm select the video that I have added the auto adjust before, and then to change or to remove or reset the auto adjustment, just click adjustment right here, and then you can uncheck or turn off the auto adjust option like this. So your video will back to the beginning without the auto adjustment. So it's so super simple, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.